If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. I, Jaden Lawrence, on behalf of the Ruby House, urge you all to treat each other with compassion. Compassion is about a softness in our hearts for the plight of another. Being compassionate allows forgiveness to dominate our hearts. It makes us stronger and see the world differently. So, let all of us come together and help heal each other.
Being kind not only has a direct effect on others, but it has a positive impact on yourself as well. Everybody can use a little bit of kindness in their life, and with World Kindness Day right around the corner, it is about time to start spreading the love. In fact, this day only serves as a reminder that we need to be kind always. Kindness starts with you and kindness quotes. It's easy to spread a little love.
Of course, being kind is pretty self-explanatory, but there are a variety of ways in which you can express it, whether it is opening a door for someone or delivering a bouquet of flowers. Kindness can have a greater impact on someone than you think. It is one of the greatest attributes someone can have.
Compassion. Compassion means to suffer together. If someone shows kindness, caring, and willingness, they are showing compassion. This is a word for a very positive emotion that has to do with being thoughtful and decent. When you have compassion, you are putting yourself in someone else's shoes and really feeling for them.
What do you think about the quality of a compassionate person?
Qualities of compassion are patience and wisdom, kindness and perseverance, warmth and resolve. It is often, though not inevitably, the key component in what manifests in the social context as altruism. Expression of compassion is prone to be hierarchical, paternalistic, and controlling in responses.
Let us look at few ways of showing compassion. Start with yourself. The best way to be compassionate towards others is to be compassionate with yourself.
Practice acts of kindness. Allocate time to bond with friends and family. Say encouraging words. Share a hug or a handshake. Nurture relationships by taking time to listen to others.
We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone.
A single act of kindness throws out roots in all directions, and the roots springs up and makes new trees.
For there is nothing heavier than compassion. Not even one owns pain weighed so heavy as the pain one feels with someone. For someone, a pain intensified by the imagination and prolonged by 100 echoes.
If there is no peace, it means that we have forgotten that we belong to each other.
नमस्कार बच्चों, आज मैं आप सबको दया के बारे में बताऊंगा।
सर, क्या आप सीआईडी हीरो दया के बारे में बताएंगे?
अरे नहीं, शायद दया बहन के बारे में बताने वाले हैं।
चुप हो जाओ तुम दोनों। आजकल के बच्चों को तो इन नैतिक मूल्यों के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है। चलो बच्चों, मैं तुम सबको एक कहानी दिखाता हूँ।
एक गरीब लड़का घर घर जाकर सामान बेचता था ताकि वह अपनी पढ़ाई कर सके और स्कूल की फीस भी भर सके। एक दिन उसके पास सिर्फ 1 रुपया ही बचा। उसे बहुत भूख लग रही थी। वह एक घर के करीब पहुंचने ही वाला था। उसने सोचा कि यह घर पे जाकर खाने के लिए कुछ मांगो।
रुको, मैं अभी आती हूँ। बेटा, पहले दूध पी लो।
माँ जी, एक गिलास दूध के कितने पैसे हुए?
तुम यह खरीद नहीं सकते। मुझे मेरी माँ ने सिखाया है कि कभी गरीब इंसानों से पैसे नहीं लेना चाहिए।
धन्यवाद माँ जी, मुझे सच में बहुत भूख लग रही थी। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
बहुत साल बीत गए। एक दिन उस औरत की तबीयत बिगड़ गई। स्थानीय डॉक्टर भी उसकी मदद नहीं कर पाए, इसलिए उन्होंने उसे बाहर शहर में भेज दिया ताकि उसकी बीमारी का सही ढंग से इलाज हो सके। उस अस्पताल में इलाज के लिए प्रसिद्ध डॉक्टर को बुलाया गया।
कैसे हो माँ जी?
अरे बेटा, तुम?
हाँ माँ जी, मैं वही गरीब लड़का हूँ जिस पे आपने दया दिखा के उसकी भूख मिटाई थी। आपके आशीर्वाद से अब मैं डॉक्टर बन गया हूँ। अब मैं आपका इलाज करूँगा और आपको ठीक करके ही रहूँगा। माँ जी, अब आप पूरी तरीके से स्वस्थ हैं। अब आप अपने घर जा सकती हैं।
हमेशा खुश रहो बेटा।
माँ जी, लीजिए हॉस्पिटल का बिल।
अरे, बिल चुकाने के लिए मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं।
माँ जी, आपको चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। आपका बिल मैं भरूंगा। एक गिलास दूध की कीमत मैं आज चुकाऊंगा।
बच्चों, उस लड़की का नाम हॉवर्ड केली था। बच्चों, जहाँ लोगों में दया की भावना होती है, वहाँ ईश्वर का वास होता है। दूसरों की मदद करके आप असल में खुद की ही मदद कर रहे होते हैं।
जीवन में किसी का भला करोगे तो लाभ होगा, और किसी पर दया करोगे तो वो याद करेंगे, क्योंकि भला का उल्टा लाभ और दया का उल्टा याद होता है।
A girl sitting near was heard to exclaim, "If you put him off, it's a shame." Then taking his hand, a collection was made. The boy's way was paid on the train. "I'm obliged to you, miss, for your kindness to me." "You're welcome," she said, "never fear." Each time the conductor would pass through the car, the boy's words would ring in his ears. "Please, Mr. Conductor, don't put me off the train. For the best friend I have in this world, sir, is waiting for me in pain, expecting to die any moment, sir, and may not live through the day. I wanna reach home and kiss Mama goodbye before God takes her away. Yes, I've got to reach home and kiss Mama goodbye before God takes her away."
Compassion towards plants. Compassion and happiness are not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. Passion to compassion. The fundamental nature of compassion and what it really is. The air that you breathe, the earth that you walk upon, the food that you eat, the people that you see and don't see.
Compassion towards plants. You plant a seed every single day in the world and in others. With every thought you think and every word you speak, action you take, you have influence. You are making a dent in the universe, and you matter in a very real way.
Plants, like Earth, are living things that depends on water to survive. Imagine if you're feeling a bit on the dry side, wilting slightly, and are denied a cool glass of water until few days later. You had probably be crawling on the ceiling floor. Sure, plants have the benefit of rain, but not all the time. During summer, they need us to put water.
The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated, says Gandhiji. When we talk about compassion, it's usually towards other human beings. Family, friends, neighbors, co-workers, strangers, people out there in the world suffering. We talk about empathizing and understanding their suffering and wanting to act on ease or to end the suffering.
But there are some who believe in compassion towards all living things, including me. Many of us have pets now or would have pets in the past, and we can completely understand compassion towards animals. You wouldn't want to hurt your beloved pet. Would you extend that empathy, compassion, and kindness to all other animals?
Not teaching the dog, supporting the community, love and affection.
Keeping their diets consistent, free from human treats, consider animal-related volunteering, help stray animals.
Educating students about how to save water in school is essential, and spreading knowledge about its values is a must. We need water in our day-to-day life activities, so we should reduce wastage and reuse water as much as we can.
We can cure physical diseases with medicine, but the only cure for loneliness, despair and hopelessness is love. There are many in the world who are dying for a piece of bread, but there are many more dying for a little love. So let's
Compassion towards air. Remember, we are here to make the earth a better place and not to destroy it. Reduce the number of trips you take it in your car. Reduce or eliminate fireplace and wood stove use. Avoid burning leaves, trash and other materials.
The power of one. One song can spark a moment. One flower can wake the tree. One tree can start a forest. One bird can herald spring. One smile begins a friendship. One hand clasp lifts a soul. One star can guide a ship at sea. One word can frame the goal. One vote can change a nation. One sunbeam lights a room. One candle wipes out darkness. One laugh will conquer gloom. One step must start each journey. One word must start each prayer. One hope will raise our spirits. One touch can show you care. One voice can speak with wisdom. One life can make the difference. Be that one today.